dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you guys a beautiful unit by Klaiyi Hair, and I'm so excited to show you guys this new wig from them. Honey, let's get into it. First things first, I like to show you guys everything I received inside of my packaging, so let's get into it. Of course, I received a dust bag. Now I like to keep these silk dust bags because, honey, this is going to help when I am ready to store my wig once I take it off. This helps keep everything in good condition, so I love these bags because sometimes I don't keep the box. I also received some hair clips. Okay, I love these always come out in handy. A comb for the baby hairs, a band for the lace, of course, keep that lace melted, HD wig cap, and this beautiful jewelry. I love jewelry, so thank you for them sending me this over. It is their anniversary. Shout out to Klaiyi Hair for this being their 8th anniversary, so that's huge, that's exciting. Happy anniversary to you guys for giving bomb hair for 8 years. Okay, let's get started. Let me show you guys what I received because this is something new. So what I have is their 7x5 Byebyeknots wig. I do have the Byebyeknots lace tape, so I always tell you guys this is really good for glueless wigs, so they're good. I just don't really use them that much, but I have tried them and they're pretty good. So here is the unit, you guys. It is still in its net. It's freshly out of the box. When I tell you, when I first took it out, I had a good look at the lace, and baby, when I tell you that lace looks so good, it looks so good. So I love the way that it looks. It's already pre-plucked, and I love that the knots are very small. Let me take out the net so you guys can get a good look at it. The knots are very small, which gives a realistic hairline and realistic scalp look. So I love that the knots are very small, and the knots are pre-bleached. The lace is pre-cut too as well. Like, what else could you ask for? You don't have to do any plucking. You don't have to even do your own part. It's already parted for you in the middle, and that's nice. 7x5 room of lace, which is a lot of room of lace. You do have a deep part, so I love that you can part it all the way back, so that's a nice deep part there, which I like. And then this is what it looks like on the back of my skin. So this is what it looks like skin to lace. I feel like it's going to melt down really well. So as you guys can see, the texture, honey, get into the texture. As you guys can see, it comes with these curly coil ends. Like, that is so cute. Like, oh my gosh, I usually see this when it's someone's natural hair. The curly hair girls really have the like those coily curly ends. I always embrace that with people real hair. So to have it in a wig, oh my gosh, I am excited to see how it looks on me. This is their curly hair with finger coil ends. That's what it's called. So you guys, look how gorgeous that looks. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This comes with an adjustable band that you can, of course, adjust for your liking. This helps with all head sizes and shapes, so it is stretchy, and like I said, you can adjust it for your head size. And then in the back right here, you still have your adjustable straps for the extra security, and you have a comb in the back of the unit there. So overall, this wig looks like it's ready to wear. I just need to take this old one off, child. Oh Lord. Okay, you guys, so for the rest of the video I will be doing a voiceover. So here I am putting a little bit of my foundation, my makeup on the wig cap so everything can just blend and be even. After that, I went ahead and put the wig on. On the edges of the lace, I just decided to put a little bit of my foundation there too as well, because I just wanted it to blend with my skin a bit more. Now, it does blend very well, as you guys can see, but just the edges of the lace, I felt like it just need to be touched up just a bit, just to blend a little bit better for my liking. And when I tell you, I was so happy. These curls are so bomb. Like, oh my goodness, it's so pretty, so full, and so soft. And I love the curly ends of how they made this. So these are called, like I said, curly finger coil curls. So I love that so much. That's like my favorite part of this wig. I did go in and put a little bit of water throughout the hair. This is basically where the lace stops. It stops right before your sideburns would start. So that's where the lace stops. Okay, I just wanted to mention that. And look how pretty these curls are. Like, I was so obsessed with this part of the wig, and it just made the hair look even more natural, because like I said, with natural curly hair you do normally see these type of curly coils at the end, so it just made it look so natural and so realistic. But here I am putting a little bit of water throughout the hair. I did take them in sections too as well. You guys are going to see me take sections of the hair throughout the video. I am going to show you guys more of that. But I love it so far. I did take a little bit of water with my hands. My spray bottle was broken, so excuse if you guys are trying to figure out how I am applying the water. I love how this lace looks. It looks so realistic. And I love how you can part it where you want to part it, and you will not have to pluck. Like, look how amazing that looks. It's already pretty much done for you, the plucking, the bleaching and things like that. So it looks very realistic throughout the scalp. I mean, throughout the lace of the wig, it definitely looks like scalp. So I definitely appreciate that, because they've taken their time and made sure that you don't have to do much work. So that was a plus for me. Okay, so I love that for me. So I will be doing a side part later on in the future, because I definitely feel like it will be so pretty in a side part too as well. Before taking the hair in sections, like I'm going to show you guys in a few minutes, I am just showing you guys the length. The length is beautiful on me. This is a 20-inch. I think this length is so perfect for this textured hair. It just definitely gives more realistic look. So for me, honey, I have nothing bad to say about this at all. I love it. Now I'm gonna show you a different clip. This right here is the next day. That's why I have a different t-shirt on, okay? And as you guys can see, it still looks bomb. I did lose the last clip, so here I have to show you guys how I'm going to section it off and wet the hair all over again. But this is what it looks like all dried up, and honey, the curls, the coils, everything, it's still there. It's just so pretty. So here I am taking it in sections, wetting the hair with a little bit of water. I am going to use a little bit of mousse too as well. So like with the water, like I said, I am taking the water from the sink, and because my spray bottle is broken, so that is how I am applying it to my hair. But as you guys can see, it brushes very good. It's very soft. Like when I say this hair is like baby soft, it's so soft in quality, and I just love how fluffy it is. I love fluffy curls, and this is another technique that I do for the curls, to have those finger coil ends. Okay, like this is what I do to keep that curl pattern going. But that's about it. It's super easy. I basically just twist it around my hand, wet it up a little bit. You can use some mousse on the ends too as well, or some any type of curling products, and boom, there you go. So as you guys can see, this is one side where it's wet with product and the other side is completely dry. So either side I love. Honestly, I love when it dries up and it has like that natural just look and effect to it. Like I just love it so much. So either way, both sides are beautiful. I do want to show you guys how the curls look up close to as well. Bomb, okay? Bomb zats calm. Like I didn't get no shedding from this hair either. Like honey, when I say so gorgeous, this is the complete look. I definitely 10/10 recommend. Klaiyi Hair did their thing again. I am never disappointed with them. When I say this hair is gorgeous in full, it is gorgeous in full. Like it definitely saved me a lot of time too as well. So that's always an A in my book. So honey, yeah, love that for me. I didn't have to pluck. I didn't even have to cut the lace. Everything was basically done, and the hair was beautiful right out of the box. Like, I didn't even have to really do much when I got the unit. Like, it came beautifully well done. So thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below, and definitely click that link down below and purchase. Until next time, I'll see baby dolls in my next video. Mwah. Bye. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your